Assalamu alaikum everyone, welcome to my project. This is CSE231 project. I am Mohammad Jahan Chaudhary, and the objective for my project is to generate a sequence in bidirectional order using 7-segment display. So I have this expression, digital logic, and I have to completely reverse this expression. So firstly, the expression contains 13 letters. I broke down the expression to individual letters and created two tables for each of them. I will now show you the truth table. So firstly, here you can see is a 7-segment display. So a 7-segment display is has 7 segments which are denoted by letters, and each of the letters will grow if an output of 1 is given. The next thing you can see is schematic circuit of a 7-segment display, which has which has points for individual letters. I only have to connect the output to its points, and that's it. Moving on to the truth table. Firstly, you can see I have converted D to C. Since there are only 2 letters, I only need 2 inputs. So a 0 will show D and a 1 will show C. If you can see the output, both of the D and C, the output D, E, G is same, so 1 will be constant for both of them. But for B and C, they have inverted relation, so I need 2 inverters to convert them. The next one is I and I. Since there is no conversion, each of the inputs will have the same output. By doing this, I have created 13 truth tables, as you can see here. Now I'm gonna move on to the actual schematic circuit. So this is the actual schematic circuit. Firstly, what I did was I created individual circuits. For example, I have this is the first letter. I have converted this to C, and I did this for 13 letters, and then I combined all of them into one schematic circuit. So here you can see this has the sequence written, digital logic, and I will now demonstrate my project. So this was my project. Thank you for listening to me.